Hey guys, Rachel Hurley here at Brine Box. I'm gonna show you how to make a Western bacon rockfish burger. First step, get your rockfish. I grind so much easier than the tuna that I grind usually. All right, we're gonna add in all the seasonings. So I got salt, onion powder, white pepper, and then a key ingredient, fresh garlic. We'll do some panko. The panko putting in there is a binder, acts as a binder so it holds together because this fish is pretty soft. Okay, and then just some mayo to put a little extra fat in there because it's pretty lean. And just depending on how moist it is, I'll probably add in a little bit more panko. Keep it a little more firm so it won't fall apart when you're cooking it. That's shaping up pretty well. I'm gonna add in a tiny bit more panko because we don't want to see it fall apart on us. Try to keep it around like 4 to 5 ounces because all the other stuff added to it. Flatten it out. Brioche buns are the best. I don't care what anyone says. Nice. All right, so that to cook a little more and then I'll throw on cheese. American cheese, because that's the best. That melts. And now for the best part, I'm gonna make onion rings. Barbecue sauce. Crispy bacon. There we go. Here's your Western bacon rockfish burger. Ooh, look at that. So good. That's ridiculous.